In today's video, let me show you how to fix Maya verification not working. If you're having issues verifying your account within Maya, this mainly happens due to the ID that you provided is blurry, or secondly, the information does not match. So the first thing that you need to ensure is that the ID that you uploaded is completely clear, as well as the video selfie that you need to take is also clear and is in a bright area. Secondly, one should ensure that you also need to ensure that your legal name, your date of birth, and these spellings are also intact, which matches the ID that you provided. If the information mismatched there as well, this could also likely be causing this issue. Also make sure that the ID that you're entering in is accepted. The IDs that are normally accepted are the government verified ID, which is your national ID, your Philippines passport, your driver's license, or it also could be your postal ID. So depending upon what you've added in, make sure that the ID is accepted within Maya. Now, if none of these solutions are working out, this is likely happening due to app bugs or app glitches. In this situation, what you simply need to do is reinstall the application of Maya onto your device. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.